When researching, not all sources are created equal. Some might be outdated, biased, or just plain wrong. So, how do we determine if a source can be trusted? We use the CRAAP test. CRAAP stands for currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. This checklist helps you evaluate any information source. First, C is for currency. How recent is the information? In fields like science or technology, you need sources from the last few years. Next, R is for relevance. Is the information useful for your topic? Does it support your thesis or help you understand the subject better? Moving on, A is for authority. Who wrote or published the information? Check the author's credentials and their affiliation with reputable institutions. The next A is for accuracy. Is the information correct and well supported? Look for evidence, citations, and verify claims with other credible sources. Lastly, P is for purpose. Why does this source exist? Is it to inform, persuade, or entertain? Be aware of any bias present. Putting it all together, the CRAAP test helps filter out unreliable sources. It ensures you choose high-quality material for your research. Remember, just because a source passes one criterion doesn't mean it passes them all. Good research starts with good sources. So, next time you're gathering information, don't just collect links. Put them to the CRAAP test.